Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tournament video. Sorry the video's a little dark. It's 4:15 in the morning right now. We're heading out for a tournament. We just got the boat loaded up, getting everything ready, make sure everything's good to go. We're fishing one of my least favorite fisheries today, the Ouachita River, right near Columbia, Louisiana. Hopefully it'll be a good day, and not too sure what we're going to do exactly. Don't know how the river looks or anything like that, but we're going to be fishing a lake right off the river. Hopefully everything goes good. Hopefully we'll make a good video for you guys, and hopefully we'll have plenty of fish catches. Thanks for watching. See my target.
Well, meant to be closer to the bank, but...
Oh, dude, what the heck? Oh my God, dude.
Yeah, I saw his back. Is it a brim?
No, that was a bass. He knocked it up in the air.
Yeah, I saw it. Alright, I got some more though. Got one green pumpkin that's like a freaking 3/16. Oh,
I don't think that's a bass. Oh my God, he came off.
you don't think it was a bass?
I don't think so. I think it was a gar.
There's a gar sitting right there.
If I miss another one and if it's a bass, I'm swapping to a different one. I feel like I should have swapped the hooks out. You have a bite? You had a bite?
No, I was on.
Oh.
I'll break it in.
All right. Swap to the old H2 Express. I think on this one at Party Point, I caught a 6.5 pounder on this one. Let's see if these hook sizes make it. Oh.
Duck.
Because this one weighs different.
That's not good luck.
I know. Just cancel. I'm gonna edit that part out. This one's a little bit weighted differently.
Oh shit.
Wait.
Ooh. Bass?
I think so. Yep. Yes. Get up in here.
Point.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. I bet there's more up there. First little baby one of the morning. Put a call tag on him. First fish of the morning goes on blue.
Azul.
Oh. Put the divider in. Alright, that's the first fish. That's a good sign. Took a little bit longer than I wanted, but we'll take it. Make sure we keep them alive though. Okay, the reason I didn't start setting the hooks, I was like, that's a,
Gar.
yeah, like that's a dang gar, that's not even a bass. Those bigger hooks, I think, made a difference too. I think that little one, those little hooks, they were able to swing the bait. And those little hooks wasn't hooking them good, but. Whatever Grubhub would deliver out here. Grubhub. Order us a pizza.
It'd be $200.
I got a coupon for $5 off.
I came close to buying a new Yeti.
Did you?
Yeah, for work. because I have that one right there, and then I have a white one that I don't want to get dirty, and I almost just bought a new one just so I didn't have to get my white one dirty, but I brought it out there anyways. It's my party cooler, have an interior light on it, so like at night when you're at a party, just see all your drinks in it. Not gonna lie, that's pretty awesome. Not trying to toot my own horn.
But toot. Keep on going, don't stop right there, that's where I'm fishing.
Whenever you go to Florida, make yourself some lemon drops.
That's where I wanted to fish right there. He's freaking stopping.
They're piling. There he is.
Oh, dude, that's a good one. I didn't even feel him bite. Oh, come on. I don't think I got a good hook in him. Oh, grab it for me. Grab it. Yes! Woo! Like that's a freaking giant. Hey, look at that.
Oh, it popped right out.
Yeah.
Little worm, trick worm.
All right, let me get a cold tag out real quick. Yes. Last week on that bait right there, dude, I caught a freaking 3 pound 6 ounce on that little shaky head. That little worm. It's number 2 right there. I never even felt him bite. I just picked it up and my line was swimming.
Was it like in deeper water?
Yeah, right up the end of that tree right there. It's number 2. Put him on the right side. Oh.
Aren't they from South America?
Yeah. It's shallows.
Muskrat is what they call them. Might have to forget about bass and just go after them.
Shallow back there. Oh.
Big?
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. I think, ain't he? Oh, no, I think he's bigger than the second one. Dude, that's a fat one. Yes, sir. Maybe not. Maybe we need to throw it back in there and drag it back. That's a fat one. It's number 3. Hey, he got it hooked good too. Alright, let me get under you real quick to get the. Dang. Boys don't slow down a lot. Got keeper number 3. What happened? Oh, pretty little fish. Alright, keeper number 3 came on the shaky head. Put him on the right side.
Yeah, you do.
I don't know if I heard it. Sing it loud for the.
That's probably the worst part of it.
Sing it loud for the people in the back.
Huh?
Sing it loud for the people in the back.
Yamamoto is supposedly the best Senko. Got BBG bug.
Those are nice. They got good action.
got more.
I don't know, I can't tell. He's swimming straight to me. He feels bigger. God. Oh, yeah, he's good. Spot. It's number 4 right there if he'll stay on. Right there where we just left out of too, dude. He's just fighting hard. You got him? Let's go.
There's a spot and a half.
Dang, but he freaking got it gut hooked. Step in your bag. Alright, there we go. Number 4. Nice little, oh, almost messed up. Alright, there's number 4. We gotta watch him, okay?
What color is it?
Black.
Got a nibble?
I think I got him. Yep.
That's him.
Oh, dude.
Good little one. You gonna swing him?
I don't know what do you think. Let's not. I don't want to take my chances. Just grab him if you can. Oh, got a larger spot. That's a large, ain't it? Number 5. Thank you. Freaking chunky little guy. Cast back up there. Probably some more right there on that good little point. Let me get a skull tag out behind you. Alright. Here's number 5. What time is it? 11?
11:15.
11:15. We have our limit. Let's let him go. Let's see. Alright, so our last worm right here. Shoot, it's hot. Now let's just see if we can get us a 2-pounder. Get rid of that. I think that first spot I caught is the smallest, huh? Just gonna make 1 call. Just wonder how everybody else is doing.
Depends on where they went.
And that's what. I'm afraid somebody out there in the river is gonna get a big one. But I had 0 confidence going out to the river at all.
Me too.
Alright.
As Dave said, just stay in the lake.
That was kind of my whole plan coming into it, this tournament too. When I heard we were coming here, I was like, I'm probably just honestly gonna focus on the lake. I don't know if there's, they say there's some good ones in here, but are you gonna run down to the end real quick?
Shot. The shot.
You got one?
Thought I did.
Looked like something hit it for real.
Cast back in now.
Oh! Oh, dude, is that gonna call?
I don't know. It's a spot. You'll have to weigh him.
Dang. Alright.
Look how he choked it though.
He did want that thing, dude. God.
In the tongue.
I don't know if he's gonna call. Oh shit, my bad. Beautiful. Should make it. Did a little bit of surgery, but that thing choked it right at the boat, dude. I don't know if he would have helped anyway, but probably put him in the lava, probably stress him out real bad. There you go.
Survive.
He went. I know you were doing. I thought you were trying to give me a fist bump. Today's commercial brought to you by Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. If it's hot outside and you're thirsty, drink Coca-Cola Zero Sugar.
We go to that. Are we going in?
I don't know if we should or not.
That guy did spend all morning in there, didn't
They were in there for a while.
he? Good one.
Oh my god, dude. Is that a bass? That's a striper, ain't
Is
it?
it?
Oh god.
Oh, it's a striper.
Is that a striper or is that a white bass?
Or either one.
Yeah.
Thought that was a bass.
I think that's a big
man.
white bass. That's a white bass. God. That did look like a largemouth at first,
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah, that's a white bass, not a striper. Got bigger.
That's a pretty fish, dude.
Nice.
Real pretty
That's
fish.
a fun fish to catch.
It is. God, dude, I thought that was him that we needed.
Yeah, I thought that was a 3 or 4 pounder we needed.
That crankbait's putting in some work now.
That was right at the boat again. It must be hanging out under the
I
boat.
see some stuff right there on the,
Grass.
yeah.